HomeEditionPlus.com. Today is part of our bathroom remodeling, putting in a new shower head. So I'm going to show you a few tips on how to properly install a shower head. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to attach the shower arm to the fixture in the wall. And so what I need to do is put plumber's tape on the threads of the shower arm. And what you want to do is put the plumber tape on opposite rotation of how you're going to screw the shower arm into the plumbing fixture. So I want to put about 3 wraps on this. I want to do it kind of neatly and somewhat snugly, because some of this is going to be exposed. And so this will help form a nice tight seal so there won't be any leaks, as well as kind of lubricates the thread, so if we need to remove it at some point, it'll be easy to do. Alright, now I'm attaching the shower arm into the plumbing fixture. Don't want to over tighten it, but don't want it to be loose either. I'm going to square it up nicely. And I'm just hand tightening this. I'm not going to use any tools to do this. Now I'm putting on the escutcheon plate. Don't want to forget that, or else we'll be taking this shower assembly off. So now I'm attaching the handheld adapter to the shower arm. I've also put some plumber's tape on the end of this side of the shower arm to make sure I get a good seal. And thread it on, hand tighten it initially. And then using a pair of adjustable pliers with tape on the jaws so they don't damage the plastic, I'm just going to basically go and tighten this up so it's snug but not over tight. I don't want to crack the plastic. And there we go. So now I'm going to attach the hose to the adapter. You want to make sure you put the washer inside each end of the hose, and then just simply screw it on, finger tight. You really shouldn't need to use any pliers for this. Just make sure it's snug. So now that I'm in the hose, I'm again making sure the washer is put in seating well. And then I'm going to attach the hose to the shower head. Again, just simply hand tightening it. And then we're ready to give the shower head a try. So now we're going to test the shower head to make sure we have no leaks. Turning on the water. No leaks in the adapter. I think we're all set. So that's all there is to it to installing a shower head. If you have other home improvement questions, make sure to visit HomeEditionPlus.com today.